Selling your home is a big decision. It's about more than just listing it online and hoping for the best. A successful sale requires careful planning and a bit of strategy. Think of it like staging a home, but on a larger scale. Every detail matters. From understanding market trends to presenting your home in its best light, each step plays a crucial role. By being prepared and informed, you can navigate the selling process with confidence. You'll attract the right buyers and maximize your selling price. Remember, your home is more than just a building. It's a collection of memories and experiences. As you embark on this journey, I'm here to share my insights and tips. Together, we'll make sure your home's next chapter is its best yet. Contact Magda Robles, your expert consultant at floridasweethome.com. While selling a home requires strategy and planning, buying a new place comes with its own set of considerations. Have you ever thought about condo living? Condominiums offer a unique lifestyle that combines convenience, community, and modern amenities. Imagine having access to a fully equipped gym, a sparkling pool, and beautifully landscaped communal areas, all without leaving your building. In 2024, condo living is more appealing than ever, thanks to innovative designs and thoughtful amenities that cater to a variety of lifestyles. One of the greatest advantages of living in a condo is the sense of community. You'll be part of a close-knit group of neighbors, often participating in social events and activities that foster connections. It's a wonderful way to meet new people and build lasting relationships. Additionally, condos are often located in prime areas, close to shopping centers, restaurants, and public transportation. This means you'll spend less time commuting and more time enjoying the things you love. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or looking to downsize, condo living offers a flexible and modern lifestyle. So, as you consider your next move, don't overlook the benefits of a condominium. It might just be the perfect choice for you. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of real estate, offering tips and insights to help you make informed decisions. And remember, for expert advice, contact Magda Robles at floridasweethome.com. Let's make your next home the best home yet. Let's make your next